Okay, so ito na nga mga kaibigan, no, naglabas na ng isang magandang balita kanina ang PRC, no. Headline natin, PRC now allows 2021-2022 graduates under old curriculum to take September 2022 licensure examination for professional teachers. Okay, so ito nga mga kaibigan, no? Latest lang natin, good news para sa lahat ng mga BSED at BEED graduates, no? PRC naglabas na ng clarification, no? And it now allows 2021 and 2022 graduates under old curriculum to take September 2022 licensure examination for professional teachers. Wow, napakagandang balita nito kasi nga alam ko marami for sure ang kinabahan, no? Ang hirap kaya maghintay. Mai-stress ka sa paghihintay ng result, at the same time extending the agony kumbaga. Pero nonetheless, tignan natin to. So ito yung headline natin. Yan, the PRC informed aspiring teachers of the changes on recently went viral. Nag-viral nga ito, no? Resolution of not allowing 2021 and 2022 graduates to take the September 2022 licensure examination for teachers, or the LET. Okay? Nandito na nga. In a social media post on Saturday, June 4, 2022, PRC clarified that those who graduated in year 2021 onwards under the old curriculum shall be allowed to take the September 2022 LET. Diba? If you are under the old curriculum, no, at kahit na-graduate kayo ng 2021 at 2022, pasok pa rin kayo. Pwede pa rin kayo mag-exam this September 2022. So, yun nga. Previously, as stated in PRC Resolution number 15 series of 2022, signed on May 30, 2022 by PRC Board for Professional Teachers, it advised Bachelor of Elementary Education and Bachelor of Secondary Education, or BSED, graduates of 2021 onwards to apply in the next schedule of the LET. Diba? Yun yung paglilinaw nila mga kaibigan. Ito pa, the good news syempre, sa tulong ng mga ilang nagpetisyon, no, at nagbigay ng appeal. The good news came after the appeal of several educators, aspiring teachers to have LET this year and not to wait for March 2022. LET, especially for those under the old curriculum but graduates of 2021 onward. So, no worries na, no? Pwede na po tayong mag-take ng LET this September 2022 para sa mga graduates ng year 2021 onwards hanggang 2022, as long as you are under or covered by the old curriculum. PRC said that the enhanced table of specification, or TOS, for the subjects of the LET issued by the Professional Regulatory Board for Professional Teachers and approved by the Commission under Board Resolution number 11 series of 2022 will be applied beginning the March LET, licensure examination 2023 and onward. So ito pa, magiging effective lang to mga kaibigan this year, no? So magiging effective lang to mga kaibigan this coming year 2023 starting March, licensure examination for professional teachers. Okay? Again, note, BEED and BSED graduates of year 2021 onwards and under the new curriculum, sila yung mga hindi eligible. Okay? They are not eligible, okay, to take the September 2022 examination for teachers and are advised to apply in the next schedule of the LET. Yung mga graduates ng 2021 and 2022 under the old curriculum, you can take. Graduates ng 2021 and 2022 under the new curriculum, you are not eligible yet. Sa next schedule na lang daw kayo ng examination. So yun lang yung balita natin para sa araw na ito.